Can you create a digital currency like Bitcoin? Today we are going to talk about if you can create a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So as you guys know, cryptocurrencies are the digital currencies that are based on the blockchain and work like a traditional counterparts. Now, if you can create it or not. Now, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind in order to create a cryptocurrency. The process is pretty complex. So first of all, you need to determine what will be the use of your cryptocurrency. The second thing will be what will be the blockchain platform that you'll be using. The third will be prepare the nodes. The fourth will be choose a blockchain architecture. The five will be establish APIs. The sixth will be create a suitable interface, and the seven will be understand the legal considerations. Now you need to keep all of these things in mind, and if you want to study these things in detail, you have to go to Google, be expert in this field, and after searching for hours, you'll be able to find the suitable and the right information if you can do this or not. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.